Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dia Zafira and my partner Surya Rifki Fadila. We are from Group 2, Class 4, CC6. In this video, we are going to presentation about our project, Myrin Store Android application. Here was our table of content. In this video, we discuss about system analysis, flowchart, database, and design interface from this project. First, system analysis. Myrin Store is an application which was created using the Kotlin programming language and developed with an Android Studio IDE. This application can make it easier for customers who want to buy product without having to come to the store directly. In this application, there will be a login page where the user have to log in order to use this app, and if the user doesn't have any account, they can sign up on the register page through a clickable text view on the login page. After the user login, there will be menu page where all the clothes in the store is shown, and then the user can choose whatever clothes that they want to buy by adding it to cart and make the payment. We use Firebase Real-Time Database, Firebase Firestore, and Firebase Authentication feature to store every data on this application. Next, flowchart. This is our flowchart. First, we will show login page. If user already have an account, they can input email and password for login, and then application will show homepage. If user don't have already account, they can register. They must input username, email, password, phone number, and address. In homepage, user can see all of product and category from Myrin Store. If user interested with some product, they can add that product to chart, and then data will be sending to database. Shopping chart. There are products that user interested to buy. User can choose how many quantity of product that they want to buy, and then user can click checkout, and then the price will be shown. If user want to complete the payment, user can follow the instruction in checkout page. Next, my partner Surya Rifki Fadila will continue this presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Surya Rifki Fadilah, and in this session I will explain the Firebase feature that we use in this project. The first one is Firebase Authentication. This feature we use to store the email and the password for the user in order to use our app. So the user have to register their email and password to access our application. And next is Firestore database. This database we use to store the cart activity data, where we have cart collection in here, and we have several documents where this is the cart ID. This is like order ID in general online store, and there is field where it contains the data of the order, like cart ID, color of the clothes, the name of the dress, the ID of the picture, the price of the clothes, quantity, and the user ID who order the clothes. And next is real-time database. We use this feature to store the user data like address, email, phone number, and the username. And that's it, the feature that we use in Firebase. Now I will show you the user interface of our application. Okay, the first interface you will see is a splash screen of the application, and then the login activity where the user have to log in order to use our program. And if the user doesn't have any account, they can register their account by using the sign up text field, and then the sign up activity where the user input the username, email, password, phone number, and address in order to make an account. After the user have signed up and log into the application, it will show the home menu where it display all the clothes that are available in the store, and then the item detail, like it will display the photo of the clothes, the name of the clothes, the price, and the color of the clothes. And then there is a add cart button where it will save the item to cart activity. And then the profile, this is where this is the activity where it show the data of the user. There are two buttons there, reset password, where user can reset their password to login, and then save button where the user want to update the data of their profile. And then the cart activity where it show the item that we have added from the detail item. And then there is a button checkout. It will show the checkout activity where it show the total of the price that the user have to pay and all the payment instruction. And next I will show you the demo of our application. Okay, that's all the demo of our application. I hope this project will be useful for all of us, especially myself. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.